What's up, guys? Hope you're all having a great day, and welcome to episode number 2 of my series taking a store from $0 to $1,000 a day within a week. So in the last video I showed you guys how I found my niche and my products, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I designed my store and how I basically just set everything up from the start. So in the previous video we found that golden rose, and I said that I wanted to do free plus shipping for it. So I know a lot of you guys think free plus shipping is dead or oversaturated just because you've heard other people say that, but honestly it's not. I'm here to prove that wrong to you guys, to show you that I can still make money with free plus shipping. So with this rose I'm going to do free plus shipping. So right now I'm going to show you guys how you set that up on your Shopify store, because a lot of people know about it but they don't know how to set it up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So we're on my computer here now. And as you can see, I got these products. I only have 7 products down. So I narrowed all these products down. I found some that I thought were better, some that I thought were worse, that I took off of the store from the previous one. So I may put some time in off camera to actually put more products on here, but right now I think that's a good start as a base. And I priced them all, and I put descriptions and everything like that. But really, I only put a good description for the main product, which was the rose, which I showed you guys in the last video. So the other ones are pretty just generic. So I'm going to be focused on marketing this main product, which is the golden rose. So that's really what we're going to be focusing on here. And I said I'm going to offer free plus shipping for that rose. So right now I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So the first thing that you want to do is, on the product, that whatever product you're doing free plus shipping for, you want to go to that product and you want to make the weight 1 pound. So I already did this on these 4 variants. I made it weigh 1 pound. So after you set the weight to 1 pound, you want to go here to settings, then to shipping, and I haven't done this yet, so I'm going to show you guys step by step how you actually do it. So now we're here where you can see the shipping zones for domestic, which is the United States, and then all the other countries in the world. So I'm going to go ahead here to shipping zones for domestic, and I'm going to press edit. So there's already this right here, calculated rates. I'm going to delete that, and now we're going to start with weight-based rates. So we're going to name this standard shipping. Let me just go ahead and copy that so we can keep using it. And so we have it at 1 pound. So what I'm going to do is actually create this weight-based rate where I'm basically just multiplying the prices and the weights for each time. So if people add 20 of these roses to the cart, it's going to add up the prices based on the weight. So the first one I'm going to do is 0.5 to 1.5. So then I'm going to make the shipping rate. I'm going to have it be, let's see, I'm actually going to make my free plus shipping for this rose $17.95. So I'm going to try and keep a decent profit margin in there. So that's my rate, $17.95. We have this 0.5 to 1.5, and now we're done. And now you basically just keep going in and doing the same thing. Standard shipping 2.0 to 2.5, and then what you have to do is use a calculator, which I'm using my phone right here. So I said $17.95 times 2 equals 35.9. So basically you just keep doing this on and on until you get to about, I would say 10 is usually the highest I would go. So you want to do this for the United States domestic as well as the international. So I'm going to keep doing this real quick, but before we do that, I'm going to add a price-based rate. So if you want to offer free shipping for the other products and have them only pay shipping on this free product, you want to press add a price-based rate, and we're going to name it free shipping. And the minimum order price is going to be $1. And there's no maximum order price we're going to put. So here we click free shipping rate. And all you have to do is put that as $1. So every product that is not your free product on the store is going to have free shipping. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and add that. And you want to do the same thing on the international. The same exact things for both. So that's how you set it all up. I'm going to go ahead here, just do a couple more for you guys so you can see what I'm doing. So standard shipping, weight-based rate. So we did, what did we just do? 2 to 2.5. So now we're going to do 3 to 3.5, and let me get my calculator here, plus 17.95 equals 53.85. So basically you just keep doing this on and on until you get to whatever number you want. You want to do this both on domestic and international. Remember to do that. And also just to get everything clear, you want to go to all of your other products and make sure the weight is set to 0. So if they have a weight in there, it would mess it up and it would charge them for shipping on these products that you want to have free shipping. So make sure all these other products that aren't your free products have the weight set to 0 pounds. So that's how you set up free shipping. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up on my store really quick and get all the numbers put in, and then I'll see you in the next step. Okay guys, so now we're back on my computer, and as you can see, I put in the shipping rates up to 10 pounds, so 10.5 pounds, both for my domestic and my international. So all that stuff is set up for shipping, so we're good to go with that, with the free plus shipping on my rows and the free shipping on the rest of my products. So we're good to go with the shipping, and now we're going to get into actually designing the website. So there's a certain way I like to structure my stores, so I'm going to go back here on my Google Docs and actually show you guys exactly how I structure it. So the first thing I usually have in my stores at the very top when you arrive is a picture with text that has a Shop Now button. I'm not sure of the exact name of what you call these certain sections of the websites, but they're on Shopify. I'll be showing you guys once I actually design it, but for right now, I'm just going to show you guys the framework of what I like to do. So the first thing I have is a picture with text that has a Shop Now button. And the second thing I like to put is the golden product. As I told you guys before, you know, I build a main product and then upsell other products. So the main product for this website is going to be this golden rose. So I have it with free plus shipping, so I'm going to have that as my featured product, because I want people to see that as soon as they get on my website. They see the picture with the Shop Now button and that golden product, which is that featured product I'm going to put right there, the golden rose. And the third thing I'm going to have is like a featured collection. So it's going to show all the collections with like pictures on it. And now the fourth one is going to be featured products. So I'm going to have it be 4 featured products. Let me organize this a little bit. It looks sort of messy. And the fifth thing that I like to put on my stores that's a little bit more towards the bottom is testimonials. I like to give some sort of credibility to my website of this golden product that I'm promoting. So testimonials. And the last thing I'm going to put is another picture with text. So I know this sounds a little bit weird right now just seeing the framework of it, but now when I get into actually designing the website, it's going to all come together. So let's go ahead and get into that. So a lot of dropshippers make the mistake of when they're starting out, they actually buy a theme off of Shopify because they think if they have a different theme, then they're going to be better than everybody else and make more sales, but that's not the truth. I'm going to use this one that's already on here, the default one. It's called Debut. So I'm going to use that. I think I can make it look really good. I've used that from my other stores. Honestly, you just have to be creative. It's not all about the themes. It's about being creative and making your store look appealing. So I'm going to go here to this theme. I'm going to press Customize. So now we're on here. So I want to create my sections already before I even start customizing anything else. So let's see. The first thing that I had was picture with text that has a Shop Now button. So let's see what's right here. Does it have a button? Okay, you can add a button here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put Shop Now. And I'm going to go to products. And I'm just going to save that. So that's the first thing I wanted, was a header that has the image with text and a Shop Now button, but that's a little bit too big. I'm going to make it a little smaller. So I'm going to make it small. Okay, and now the next one I wanted to add was the featured product, which is the golden rose. So featured product, and I'm going to press add, and the product I'm going to be using is the golden rose. So I'm going to press select, and what do we want on here? Now we're going to go back. I'm going to move this up towards the top where I want it. Okay, so now we have what I wanted, the text with the Shop Now button. The featured product was the next one. Number 3 was collections. Okay, so I don't have any collections right now, but definitely going to put them in there. So collection list, add. So there we have collections. I'm going to go out of here, collection list, put that under there. And now what else did I have next? And now the next one I have was featured products. So I'm going to go ahead here, add section, and we're going to go to featured collection. So I'm going to actually show you guys how I go onto pages and add these certain collections that I call my featured products, and I'm going to put them on there that I think are the products that I think sell the most. So we'll do that in a second. So now we go to featured collection. I'll add that. Products per row, I like to do 4, and we're only going to do 1 row. So now we have that featured collection. I'm going to put that up here. So I'm actually going to move the featured collection above the collection list. I think I'm going to take off the connection list for now. And now I'm going to have the testimonials. Okay, so I'm going to just have 3 testimonials there. I'll add that real quick. Let's go here, testimonials. Scroll up here, featured collection, testimonials. Okay, so now at the bottom, I want another image with text, but not like this. I want to actually have just one like the top. So image with text overlay, I want that. Okay, so now we have that. This is basically the outline that I want. I want the image with the shop now button, my main golden product, my featured products, and testimonials, and then another picture with text overlay. And over here at the top where it says home and catalog, I'm going to make that have 3 tabs. So I'm going to have home, products, and a contact page. So those are the 3 things I'm going to have at the top. So right now we have the base of pretty much everything. I want the outline. So now I'm going to go ahead and actually go to pages so I can set up the navigation and everything like that. So let's go back here to navigation, and the main menu has a home and a catalog. But what we're going to do is just name this products. And then the next one we're going to have is contact us. And I need to create a page post first, so I'm going to go to pages, I'm going to press add page, and it's going to be called contact. I created an email already that's a contact email for this company, so I'm going to say please contact tetraloves@gmail.com for any questions or concerns. Okay, so now we have that, and I'm gonna highlight this and add it to block quote and save it. So now we'll go back here to navigation, and we have the main menu where it says home and catalog. I guess I forgot to save where it said products. Products, it's going to show all products, apply changes, add menu item, contact us, and I'm going to put the page contact, and then I'm going to save this, and then save menu. So now if we go back to the online store, it'll have home, products, and contact us. So I'm actually going to change the navigation up a little bit, the way it looks. So I'm going to go here to my online store, customize, and we're going to go to header, and we want the logo alignment on the left, yes. And the logo is going to be the last thing that I'm going to do. Actually, I'm not really worried about that until the end. So right now I'm just going to design the website, and then we'll get into the logo.